Take a look at this. This is the only safe way to cut the cables on a door like this. The old doors were completely worn out. Rusted windows, rusty brackets, and layers of old paint everywhere. Now, this is the brand new set of doors we're installing, paired with a LiftMaster system. On the left side, we installed fixed doors, on the right side as well, fully isolating the space from the outside. The middle door is the main operating door. We installed it, tested it, and everything runs smoothly and very quietly. Before leaving, we checked the system one last time. It works perfectly. This is the final exterior view. Prime garage door service. We always do the job right.